Get in, let's go.
So, round 2.
Fight!
This morning I went to Cars and Coffee at the Levy. Nobody there. Or one person. And me and Charlie, we had a coffee. Great bloke, awesome to meet him. Then I come home and I'm like, well, I don't have enough to do a YouTube video this weekend. That really sort of sucks because there, that's better. Because yeah, I wanted to do one, but I get home and I get tagged in this thing and I'm like, why didn't I see this before?
Open your eyes!
So I'm on my way to another event. It's going to be meet at one spot and go to another spot that's underground, or undercover, I should say. So let's hope this is a little bit better.
A few moments later.
Right as I turn it on, like the rain and everything just backs off. But a minute ago I couldn't see a thing. But there's 2 major positives to going to any car event or driving a modified car, even though I wouldn't really call it modified, but a car that stands out even in the rain like this. 1, don't have to wash it before the event.
Looking like a tramp, like a video ram. Demolition woman, can I be a man?
2, you're not likely to get pulled over because what copper wants to stand out in the rain, booking, defecting, whatever, a car and getting saturated?
It's Special Officer Doopy today, Singe.
And you know what? I'll throw in a 3rd. If they do that, then I'll get to sit here in the car nice and dry and laugh at them while they get wet. Anyway, let's get to this event.
One eternity later.
Well, this is our car meet here.
Gay!
We're sitting undercover. Well, I'm sitting in the car because this stuff is really not very waterproof. But we're leaving here in a second and we're going over to Jesmond. So it's an undercover area. It's like level 2 or something in the car park. But yeah, Darian's organised this and, you know, props to you, man. Like, it's raining. We're still here. It's not a lot of people. There's literally, there's that. I think that's his missus' car over there. And then like there's his Civic. I think there was like a Majesta or something just cruised through a second ago. So I'm assuming they're going to be there as well.
Excellent.
But yeah, like he basically said to me, like we had a chat and he said, look, there's more people going to meet us over there. But even if there's not, like I went to Cars and Coffee this morning. There was me and the organiser. That was it. But either way, I've now met Darian and I'm sure I'm going to meet a few other people, and that's what this is about, like making connections, you know, meeting new people, making friends, and you know, we've all got a common interest. So let's go. We're going to cruise in the rain.
Nick Minute.
Yeah, this is really not cruising weather. Oh no.
A few moments later.
Well, this is where we're coming to. Shopping centre car park. We'll see if there's a few people here.
You guys know that everyone thinks you're total fags, right?
just a dream. Freedom road, me and my machine. Getting that gas life so keen. No stopping, no brakes, just roar. Outrunning the life I had before. Lights fade in my rearview glass, faster than the memories of past. Winding through the hills and fate, never stopping, never too late.
Well, that was it. Obviously, not a whole lot happening because of the weather.
Severe thunderstorms, heavy rainfall and flash flooding continue across parts of New South Wales today.
But yeah, I just wanted to try and get out, do something this weekend, get a little video going for you guys, and yeah, not a whole lot happening. Anyway, next week I'm off to Kempsey to do round 4 of the, no, I'm not letting you out, I'm just going slow because I've got a bloody low car. Wait your turn. Old people. Ugh.
Did you think I was gonna make a Haaland, eh?
Anyway, I've got round 4 of the New South Wales Hill Climb Championship next weekend. So yeah, stay tuned for a video of that, and see you guys in the next one.